create this Boxycharm look, I am now going to be taking my Ace Beauty blush palette. I'm going to be combining the blush shades to create a nice pink eyeshadow. I'm going to blend it onto my eyelid. Now I'm going to be taking the Tarte Life of the Party palette as well as Too Faced Then and Now, and I'm going to be using these pink shades to blend out onto my crease and create what is most of the hot pink. Now I'm taking the Ace Beauty Packed Eyeshadow. This is in the shade Cotton Candy, and I'm going to be packing this onto the inner corner of my eyelid as it creates most of my glitter. Now I'm using Ace Beauty Blush again. I'm going to be blending the darkest shade out into the outer corner of my eyelid. To create my eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Jose Fierce and Fine graphic pen. I'm going to be first starting from the outer corner and drawing a thin line, and then later blending it in with a small liner brush and creating my wing. And then this is the completed eyeshadow look. Next, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape in L'Oreal Concealer, and I'm first going in with the Tarte Shape Tape and doing a few dots under my eyes, and then coming in with the L'Oreal Concealer to brighten them up. Once I finish, I'm now going to be setting it with some Ciate setting powder. Next, I'm going to be taking my Face Tape foundation and blending this in with a damp sponge. To blend everything out evenly, I'm now going to take my Laura Geller foundation powder. So now I'm using my Hoola Benefit bronzer, and I'm going to be applying this with a beauty blender. I find that applying it with a beauty blender makes it look much neater and nicer. So then after that, I'm just going to blend it in with a brush. Now I'm going to be taking my Ace Beauty blush again, and I saw this trick on TikTok where you apply your brush upwards and it makes your blush look much nicer. So now I'm using Too Faced Then and Now, and I'm going to be taking the shade Trixie, and I'm just going to be doing my under eyes with it. Now I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighting palette. I'm going to be applying this first with my finger for a much creamier effect. Now I'm using my Most Starry Cosmetics mascara, and I'm not too sure what happened with the lighting, but basically I'm just applying the mascara to my lashes. For my lipstick, I'm going to be using the Stila Stay All Day, and this is in the shade Petunia. Now I'm using my Too Faced lip gloss, and this is in the shade Sugar Plum. Now I'm using the Ciate Everyday Vacay Setting Spray, and I'm just going to be spraying this all over my face. And this is the finished, completed makeup look. Thank you so much for watching.